Alright, this is the cabinet under my desk, and yeah, it's kind of a mess. I don't know how it ended up here, but ever since I've been stuffing it with the most random stuff. I always wanted to build drawers for it, but I never actually built drawers. The drawers will be nothing fancy, just something that is clean, functional, and drawers that actually fit. This project had its usual up and downs. Okay, so this box isn't square. Like always when glue is involved, we have to move quick. With myself even questioning if I should post this video or not, but I think in the end it turned out very well. So today I wanted to learn that skill, and I wanted to know if it's really as easy as everyone says. So this is what we are working with. A basic IKEA cabinet. Let's make it a bit more special. I hope everything will look good in the end. Okay, first of all I have to remove these casters, because I don't have space for them, and drawers with casters seem a little bit stupid to me. Do you think this counts as an IKEA hack? I'm going to start with the smallest one. People have all different kind of ways for building drawers. I'm trying to find one that works for me. There was a time when building anything square, like even a frame, was a big struggle for me. But I guess I attest that to poor quality of machines and tools. If you can't saw straight, what else can you expect? So if you want much more quality and a much better time crafting anything, I strongly recommend for going for objectively better tools. They do pay off. Okay, I decided to cut in some grooves to then put in the bottom piece and glue everything together. I think this might be the quickest method for me. Okay, let's put everything together and see if it fits. Okay, these grooves are definitely a little bit too tight. And the base plate is too long. Okay, second try. This fits already way better. It is a bit loose, but I will be also applying glue, so basically just perfect. Wait, it's still too long. Oh, I think it fits. Yes! I built half a drawer. Okay, I think it is time for glue, some nails, and then I can actually mount my first drawer. Okay, first of all I should sand everything before I glue it together, because afterwards it might not be so easy anymore. Okay, so this box isn't square. We have 43 centimeters on this side and 42.5 on this one. So, like always when glue is involved, we have to move quick. Should have made a proper dry fit, but here we are. I think the groove was the problem, the depth wasn't quite right, so let me measure it again. It's better, but still not perfect. How can that be? I don't know, I think it's still not 100% square, but it should be good enough. But most importantly, will it fit? I don't know if that is too tight or not. But I think the next step is to mount the drawer slides and to see if it worked out. Looking back, I've learned so much from this project, and that's what I love about challenging myself. Next time I would build drawers so differently than I did here, but I had to make that step to gain the knowledge. Okay, so the drawer was a little bit too wide. Only option I saw is just cutting off a layer of the multiplex. They look ugly from the side now, but well, I don't care that much. And now it fits perfectly. Okay, I thought I might be smart with taking thin walls for the drawers, but as it turns out, I don't have screws that are small enough to not poke out. I don't care about it that much because I think they might not be visible in the end, but I definitely have to grind them down. Okay, time to make 2 more. Okay, this time I'm not making any fancy grooves. I'm just gluing everything together. I'm also gonna use some nails, and then I just put on the bottom pieces from underneath, and that will be it. Looks like everything fits this time. Okay, I somehow got it finally done to get the drawers installed. They were not fitting at all. It was a back and forth. And I'm pretty certain I lost my mind in the process. But it is done, and now it's time for the drawer fronts, and for that I'm using this oak board that luckily seems to be somewhat the exact right size. So let's cut that down, and then I'll try to figure out how to install it. New day, new problems. As you can see, the lower drawer actually doesn't sit flush, and I had the same problem with the top one, but I could just add some screws and then adjust it, and this now sits perfectly flush. Unfortunately, with the lower one, I can't do the same because the drawer sits flush with the slides, but the slides does not sit flush with the cabinet. So have to take out the drawer, relocate the slide a little bit, and then I think we should be good.